If you're confused about Bitcoin holding at $95,000 while billions flood out of decade-old wallets, you should be, because something new just happened. Something Bitcoin has never been able to survive until now. Hey everyone, let's talk about what's really going on in the Bitcoin market right now. Because the price sitting around $95,000 doesn't tell the real story. The real story is this. OG Bitcoin whales are finally selling. And this is the only moment in history where the markets can't handle it. That's the whole truth. Forgets the theories, forgets the fear, forgets the noise. Here is the main reason, the core reason, the reason nobody wants to say clearly. The OG are selling now because for the first time ever, there is finally enough liquidities to absorb them. Not because they're bearish, not because Bitcoin is dying, not because the cycle is over, but because the market finally matured enough to take the hit. For 14 years, whales sit on their coins because if they sold earlier, like 2013, 2017, 2021, or even 2022, they would have destroyed the market. And $8 to $9 billion stack moving in 2021 would have collapsed Bitcoins by 80 to 90% instantly. But today, institutions are here, ETF are here, public companies are here, treasury buyers are here, governments are here too. This is the first time in Bitcoin's entire life where the liquidities is deep enough to handle massive, decades-old bags being offloaded without blowing up the entire system. That is the conflict in every previous cycle. Huge whale equals to catastrophic crash. Today, massive selling, tiny price dip. That's not weakness. That's the strongest signs of maturity Bitcoin has ever shown. And this is where the story flips. Old whales are exiting, but institutions are silently taking every coins they drop. And here's the part most people don't truly understand. This selling isn't just not bad. For Bitcoins, it's actually one of the best things that could happen long term. Why? Because the people receiving these coins, the new hands, are not flippers, not gamblers, not short-term speculators. These are institutions, ETF, governments, corporations, treasury, pension funds, buyers with a much longer time horizon than the OG whales ever had. The OG built Bitcoin, but the new hands will stabilize it. These buyers don't panic sell. They don't dump into fear. Their job is to accumulate and hold assets for years, sometimes decades. This is the moment where Bitcoin moves from early believers to long-term professional, institutional holders who are building positions for the next generation, and that makes Bitcoin stronger than ever. Since July, old wallets, 470,000 Bitcoins, around $49 billion. And in October, another 45,000 Bitcoin. And yet, Bitcoin only slipped from about $100,000 to $95,000. That would have been impossible in any cycle before this one. Impossible. And that's exactly why OG are selling now, because they finally can. They've been waiting over a decade for this moment of deep liquidity. Regular ETFs buying daily. Governments own Bitcoin reserves forming. Treasury allocations becoming normal. BlackRock, Fidelity, Strategy, MicroStrategy, ARK, Franklin Templeton's all absorbing supply. Institutional custody becoming standard. Endless spot demands coming in every week. Bitcoin has matured into a market where $1 billion move don't cause $1 billion damage. OG selling now is not fair. It's opportunities, not weakness. It's maturity, not the end, but the handoff. Cycle-changing conflict right here. Retail sees the dips and panics. Institutional buyers sees the dip and fill the order book. OG whales are stepping out because they trust the market is strong enough now to keep going without them. And institutions are stepping in because they finally have regulated on-ramps to accumulate at scale. That's the ultimate contrast. Old conviction cashing out, new conviction stepping in. And when this entire transfer is complete, the pressure lifts. Supply tightens, demands keep stacking, and the chart behaves exactly the way assets behave after the insider finished selling. Facebook did it. Robinhood did it. Gold did it. Every major IPO did it. And now Bitcoin, for the first time, is doing it too. So if you're watching this moment and thinking, why are they selling? It's simple. Because now the market is finally strong enough to take them. That's the whole truth. And it's extremely bullish long term. The future belongs to those who pay attention early, my friend. And you're one of them. Stack with purpose. And always don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.